This is iPhone 15 and today I'll show how you can fix the phone calls receptivity issues on this device. So if you are having problems with receiving phone calls, they simply do not reach you, or to put it in other words, they do not come through. First thing that I recommend to check is whether your system is in the flight or airplane mode, and if it is, like mine, turn it off. Then what you might also want to see is whether do not disturb or other focus mode is active, and if it is, also disable all focus modes that you'll have over here. On top of that, you can also go into settings, cellular, and turn off the Wi-Fi calling feature. Make sure that this toggle is grayed out and see if that helps. And well, I guess that if neither of the aforementioned methods worked for you, you can, well, try a last thing is to pull the SIM card tray out, take the SIM card and, well, just put it back in. You could, you don't necessarily have to take the SIM card out of its slot. Just take the tray itself, then put it back in. And well, if that didn't help as well, at this point, the only solution that I see for you is that you contact your mobile operator or mobile phone provider, because most probably the issue lays on their end rather than yours. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.